In this video, we will show you how to open Santander Bank account online. If you guys want to get started with a Santander Bank account, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Santander Bank website on your web browser. The investment services offers solutions to help you set and achieve your investment goals. Protection secures your information with advanced mobile and online banking technology. Your relationship banker offers access to the best deposit rates and pricing on loans and investments. Now, go to the Savings and CDs tab on the top menu. Here, select the Santander Money Market Savings option. You need to enter the country's zip code. Then, scroll down to find the Enroll button and click on it. After that, provide the required details to verify your identity, which includes your account number and the last 4 digits of your SSN. So, that's how to open a Santander Bank account online. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with a Santander Bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.